Allow me to show you how to set up feedback questions on your dashboard. So in the main menu, select Group Settings, and then Sub-Navigation, select Feedback. There's one feedback question here already, and this is one that will be requested of the onboarding member during account setup. Let's create another feedback question. So I'll select Add. In the text box, I'm going to put my question in. And then what I want to do is I want that question to take place while they're a member of the group. So I'll select Spot Review. And then I want to include a star rating. So I'll select Include Rating. And then I'll add that by selecting Add. Okay. And so there's how to configure and set up feedback questions for your dashboard.